Good afternoon guys and welcome back. So today we're going to go over the top 5 gift ideas for any Jeep owner. Alright, so number 5 on the list is grab handle. Now grab handles are absolutely awesome, especially when you're running no doors. Because when you've got no doors, you've got nothing to rest your arm on. So grab handles are great to rest that arm on those summer days when you've got no doors on. Also they're awesome for those short people in your life, so they can easily get in and out of your Jeep. Especially if you've got a lifted Jeep, it can be hard for pregnant people, as I've just figured out lately, to get into your Jeep. So they're really handy for people to get in and out. Awesome for when you've got those doors off, you've got something to hold on to, be secure. When you're on the trails, people might get scared depending on how rough you are. So you've got something to hold on to. It's like a oh Jesus handle, but a grab handle. So they're a great gift idea. They're pretty low on cost depending on which ones you buy. I've just got the Amazon or eBay specials, so I think they're like $5 for a pair, maybe $10, so they're really cheap, but they're a great gift to have. Alright, so number 4 on the list is recovery gear. It's essential if you're going any sort of forward driving to have just a minimal of recovery gear. It might be a snatch strap with some bow shackles, it might be a shovel, it might be anything, a small winch, doesn't matter how inexpensive or expensive it is, just something to help you out when you go forward driving. Especially if you're new to forward driving and you've never been out before, more than likely you're going to get stuck. So even having a shovel or max tracks or some sort of recovery gear, no matter what it is, it's going to save you. It could save you hours of being stuck at the bush like it has for me. First time I went out, there's a story that I want to link just up here if you want to check that out. The first time I went forward driving, I got stuck. I didn't have any recovery gear. I was there in the bush for hours, had to hike back to a petrol station. But if someone had bought me some sort of recovery gear, it would have saved me so much hassle on that day. So recovery gear. For this kit, 2 bow shackles, a snatch strap, it comes with a carry bag so you can keep it nice and clean. That's $45. $45 could save you hours of hassle. Alright, so number 3 on the list. If you've ever owned a Jeep before, you know how useless the factory headlights are. They're like candle powered or something. So Jeep makes an absolute awesome forward drive. It's surprising they don't make good headlights. I think the 2019 ones come out with a LED headlight, which they should have all done. Like the factory ones from 1941 are like candle powered. They're still using the same technology from 1941 to 2019. It's stupid. They make a great forward drive, but the headlights are so bad. So do that person in your family a favour, whoever owns a Jeep, get them a nice replacement set of LED headlights. So these ones I've got are just the eBay Amazon special. They're about $55, and they've got a nice LED ring, which I love. They've got a nice bright high beam and they've got a really nice low beam. So if you own a Jeep or a forward drive, majority of the time you're going to go forward driving at night time, or try and find your way back to your camp at night or when it's getting dark. It's essential to have some sort of good lighting on your Jeep, even if it's not an LED bar. Good headlights, they make a massive difference. So cheap, inexpensive gift, but any Jeep lover will absolutely love it. Alright, so number 2 on the list is tools, especially a set of these 6 head star sockets. They are essential for any Jeep owner. For some reason Jeep made majority of the bolts on their cars for the seat belts, the bonnet latches, windscreen latches, rear seats, seat belt hold, the bolts that go into the seat belts, everything like that is like these star sockets here, which are really annoying. So when I first started taking things apart, I was using Allen keys. I actually rounded it off a few heads. So do the Jeep owner in your family a favour and buy a set of those sockets. They will save bolts, they will save hours of work. But again, with tools, this set here, just these sockets, the wrench, and a couple other things, the hammer. I think that's really about it, and a brake bar are the only things I had when replacing the front axle on my Jeep. Now it's a pretty big job, I had to drop it all out. There's so many, it took a couple days, but that's what I use. It wasn't much, it was a $35 set from Super Cheap Auto. That's all I used to replace the front axle on my car. You don't have to buy thousands of dollars worth of tools to be able to work on your four-wheel drive, but it's definitely an essential thing to have for any Jeep owner. I'm not saying Jeeps are unreliable at all, but if you're doing any sort of hard four-wheel driving or big trips, majority of the time the program breaks something or need to replace something. It's just the thing of having a four-wheel drive, things wear out, things break. I'm saying Jeeps are unreliable. So, tools. It's going to save them money instead of paying someone else to do it. It's going to be more of an experience, more kind of bonding with your Jeep. I like it, I have fun doing it. I'd love getting tools for a birthday present or Christmas present. Alright, so the first and final thing that I absolutely love getting as a gift for birthday, Christmas, anniversary, whatever it might be, is tickets or a trip to my favourite four-wheel drive destination. Now it might be a bit more expensive than a couple of these other things we've gone through today, but if you own a four-wheel drive or a Jeep, you're going to want to go out. And if someone books it for you and gets it for you, you're going to have an excuse to go do it instead of just sitting back, oh, should we go do this? Or should we do that this weekend? Maybe like, it's like getting tickets to, say, Disneyland or a theme park or something like that. If you buy a year's pass, more than likely you're going to go there more than once or twice a year. You're going to use it up. So for example, for my first Father's Day, which was a couple of weeks ago, my wife got me it's only a weekend trip, so 3 days we're going to go to the biggest sand island in the world, which is Fraser Island. Now when she booked it, they're running a massive special. So normally it's $173 just for the barge to get onto this island. Now the tickets for 2 nights accommodation, the barge both ways, back to the island, to the island and back to the mainland, and I think breakfast was included as well, was $200. So if you're looking for something for your Jeep, if you're looking for something for the Jeeper in your family or four-wheel drive lover in your family, look out for the bargains, go on Groupon, look out for specials, because they might think it's too expensive, because that trip, the last time we did, I think it was $560 for the same, pretty much exact the same thing as what we paid about $220 for, I think it was. But look out for deals. Anybody, especially four-wheel drive lovers, would love a trip, whether it's a year's ticket to, like a year's pass up the mountain or whatever it might be, just something they can use for an excuse to get out and actually use their four-wheel drive and have fun and do exactly what we love to do, and put all these other things that you've gotten gifts for to use as well. There's no point in getting things for gifts if you're not going to use them. So those are my top 5 things. Majority of these things I've gotten for gifts, or I've bought myself, or I would love to get for a gift in the future. You can never have too many things when you own a four-wheel drive, and especially when you own a Jeep. So if you've got anything to add, stuff you like to get for gifts, or stuff you've gotten for gifts in the past, please leave it as a comment below. I'd love to find out what you guys have gotten or would like, because I might want that in the future so I can tell my wife to buy it for Christmas or my birthday. So please leave a comment below. Also, if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. We're going to do a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. I know it's a while away, but I hope we can get there quite fast. It's going to be a nice big giveaway with something meaningful to you, your four-wheel drive, whoever wins it, and very personal to you. So I hope one of you guys can win that. We'll be doing that at 1,000 subscribers, so please hit that subscribe button to be in with a chance to win this prize pack that I will be announcing at 500 subscribers. We're almost there, so please hit that subscribe button, please hit that like button, comment if you've got anything to add, and I'll see you guys next week, and thanks for watching.